everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send SMS communications in Kidsoft. In order to be able to send an SMS, you must have the user role access for SMS to be able to send. To send an SMS, you're going to click on the Service menu and under SP Features, click on Communications. If SMS is enabled in your database, you will be able to click here to create a new SMS. You can select the category if you wish, select a template from the template list, add any additional variables, and then type in your message. Please note there is a charge for each SMS and it's 20 cents for 160 characters. You can see the message characters count down, and once that message number gets to 161, on the right hand side under the statistics, the SMS per message will update to 2, identifying for you that you will now be sending 2 pages for an SMS, which is at an additional charge of then 40 cents. When scrolling down and selecting which guardians to send the SMS to, you can select the guardians from the drop-down box, or you can click on Mobile Numbers tab and free type the mobile number in. When switching back to the Guardians tab, you will find the Advanced Select filter. This works just like the email communications. You can select a specific date. You can filter by child or multiple children. And you can also filter by rooms. In the Guardians search criteria, you can search by tags. And on default, the Active and Enrollment tag will appear. When you have finished selecting your search criteria, you can click Search. And the Guardians will be listed below. Scrolling down, you can then click on Add to Selection and Close, and those names will now pre-populate. When you're ready to send your SMS, you can click Save and Send. On the communications log, you can view all SMSs that have been sent and the status, so whether they have been saved, sent, delivered, or failed. Please note, to be able to send an SMS to a Guardian, on the Guardian's Phone Numbers tab, please ensure the SMS has been enabled. You can also send an SMS to a Guardian from their details page. When scrolling down to the communications, you can see Send an SMS. Simply click on that and the Create SMS field will appear. For further information on how to send SMS communications within Kidsoft, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.